So, hi everyone. Today I'll discuss about a optional class and when it got introduced, what actually it do, and how does optional class will get implemented. What are the methods present in optional class? We'll see. So, optional class is mainly used to avoid null pointer exception. Before optional class got introduced, there is a one problem frequently occurred. That problem is null pointer exception. To avoid this null pointer exception, optional class got introduced actually. So when we perform any operation on null values, uh, we will get null pointer exception actually. We'll get null pointer exception. To avoid this null pointer exception, we use optional class. On in real-time projects or real-time scenarios, there is no guarantee. There is no guarantee for the for every programmer has been used as check null values. So if suppose they by mistakenly they did not check null values, so then that time null pointer exception will get occurred. To avoid this or to prevent this, optional class got introduced. So now how to handle it in IDE we'll see now. So here I'll create one sample program inside the Java 8. I'll create one class, normal class. Not sure. By mistakenly, I'll create one class, optional class example. See, optional class example. So it has some methods like isPresent method, ifPresent method, get method, ofNullable method. These things and all, we'll see what it will do. So inside this main method, so main, if you want main method, just type main. You will get main because main method is useful for execution of starting line. So here before without handling without first I will do without optional. I'll do some operation. Let's see, name equal to null. So if I do some any operation on null value, suppose sysout, I'm using name dot get length method. I will use get length or else length method. See now what I will get output. Let's check. So here run as Java application. So it is running. I'm getting null pointer exception. Null pointer exception. Actual value is null, but I'm performing some operation on null value. Because of this, I'm getting null pointer exception. To avoid this null pointer exception, we will use optional class. We'll use optional class. So here I'll try first optional right optional. I'll take string. I'm taking string value. That's why this can be anything, and optional of as I told you before, there is one method called of method. It must contain value. It won't contain any. It is an inbuilt method. It must contain value definitely. If you write null value, it won't take actually. So simply I will write mobile phone. Mobile is a string value. Let's see whether I will get output or not. Sys out. So opt dot get. To print this mobile in the console, I'll just write it. No, I'm not. Yeah, I got the output. So like this. So if suppose let me write here null value. See, compile time error it is not showing, but when it comes to when it is executing, then that time what it will show? Null pointer exception, because it won't allow off method is an inbuilt method. It won't allow null values. It will only allow value. There is one more method called ofNullable method. Optional of nullable. This is the method. This will contain value or null. Both can contain. May value may be there and might not be there. So first I will write null. Let's see whether it will take or not. So again I will write this thing same here, because here it is the same. So OPT1. So I'm printing same here. OPT1. See, let's check whether the output, whether I'm getting null pointer exception or not. I'm getting different exception, no such element exception, no such element exception, because it is taking like no value present. Before I got for this, before I got, when I kept null here, that time I got null pointer exception. Now it is getting no such element exception. So now I'm just hi welcome. I will give some message hi welcome. Welcome. So now let's see whether I will get a hi welcome or not. Let's check. So now I'm getting hi welcome. So there is a one more method called optional of empty. Optional dot empty. This is the method present in optional class. And again same I will take, because same I need to write. Simply just changing the reference variable actually. So same. This is the same actually on OPT2. Again, no such element exception, no value present inside this. No value is present. So that is the error. But null pointer exception I am not getting. So, and one more method, what is there? If suppose I have a value like string, or else string s equal to welcome, welcome to Hyderabad, HYD, Hyderabad, welcome to Hyderabad. So if I want to perform any operation with this using optional, let's see what will I get. If s dot is present, no, simplify sys out s dot length. Let me find a length method. What is the length of this welcome to Hyderabad? Let me check. No such element, because I will keep this in comment. That's why I'm getting error. So 20 characters is there inside this welcome to Hyderabad. So now this mobile I'll try to, if opt dot is present, if exist inside that of method, if any value is exist, I will print it sys sysout opt. To get the value, there is one method called get method. Then only I will get error. Then only I will get that value mobile I got. See. And one more method, yeah, this methods will be available mainly to avoid null pointer exception. Java 8 is introduced optional class. Before Java 8, there is a boilerplate code, like number of lines of code to handle the null values. So this is about an optional class. This is about optional class. It's also any frequently asked important interview question in the companies, whether you are a fresher, whether you are a experienced candidate also. So this is about optional class. From next video, I will come with another video from Java 8 version. So this is about optional class. Thank you.